Hi guys, my name is Maggie. I am a closet organizer as well as stylist based in Toronto. You can find me on Instagram at Essential Styling Teal. And today I want to go through my closets. Something that I've been working on and I am kind of obsessed with right now. So I wanted to share with you guys how I organize my closet. I do share my closet with my partner. I wanted to show you guys on how to make it work if you're going to share a closet with someone else, and how to kind of divide the closet 50-50. Depending on how many things you guys do have. So I'm gonna first start on my side, and then after that I'm gonna walk you guys through my partner's side. Okay, so this is my side of the closet. The way I have my closet organized is I have all of my dresses on this side over here. If you have dresses that are super long, just hang them inside of the hanger, and if you have the dresses that are quite short, then you can fully hang them. And then it goes straight into my blazers and my jackets, all of my long sleeve and sweaters, and then like my more fancy shirts that are a little bit more light, and then after that tank tops or like pieces, like clothes that are just like one sleeve. And then after that it goes into my pants. So these are not denims. The only denim I have hang here is this white one because it's the only white denim that I own, but these are like fancy pants that I wear occasionally, so I'd rather have them hung instead of folding them, because also when I fold them it's a little bit more trickier and it's quite hard. So hanging them is probably the best way for me to maintain my closet organized. So that's pretty much how far my closet goes. It stops about here, then my boyfriend's closet continues. One tip I would give you guys, if you're gonna organize your closet, make sure you invest in hangers that are durable and also functional. Hangers that I use obviously are the velvet hangers. The reason why I rather use these hangers is because my clothes never fall off. And also they're just clean and neat, and they don't stretch my clothes, and it's super easy to hang pieces like this, or you can also hang regular clothes just like this. As you can tell, they don't stretch my sweaters, and also I don't pull my sweaters from the top when I'm taking them off the hangers. I pull them from underneath, so that way my neckline and the shoulders do not stretch over time. Moving up top here, these are all of my big bags. One tip I will give you guys, I always make sure all my big bags are inside of the dust bag. So when you're shopping and you're purchasing bags, never throw away the dust bags. If they don't give you one, please ask. But I do keep mine because I travel with them. It's good for packing, and as well as it's good for storing my bags so they don't get dusty and they don't get dirty over time. This Michael Kors bag I've had for a very long time and I never ever use, but it's there, so one day maybe I will like donate it to someone that I know, or someone that may like it and need it. This is my basket bag. It's one of my favorite bags. And up top here is where I keep all of my denims. Believe it or not, these are all the denims I own, including the one that I'm wearing. I'm not a big believer on over excessive shopping. I don't think I have to have 100 pairs of denim. I will not wear 100 pairs, but these are the denims that I wear all the time. And one more thing that I forgot to show you guys is how I store my belts. This is my belt storage system. I'm pretty sure you can also find this on Amazon. So this is how I store my belts. As you can tell, they kind of clip inside of this thing and then they come apart. It's just a great way to store your belt. If I don't find the exact one, I will link something similar that I can find on Amazon, because I know on Amazon there's tons of these things. But it's a great system to store your belts instead of rolling them, or instead of just throwing them into drawers. So one thing I forgot to tell you guys is that my closet, when we first moved into this apartment, it's just a regular reach-in closet that we transformed to become almost like this walk-in closet in a sense. It works for us, it's open and we get to see all of our clothes. So if you have reach-in closets and you don't have a walk-in closet, don't stress, just make it work. There's tons of ways that you can make them become functional and work for you and your lifestyle. But if you ever wanna go through some drawings of your kitchen closet or even your walk-in closet and you just want some ideas, definitely follow me on Instagram at EssentialStylingTO, or send me a DM of picture of your closet, whatever closet size you have. I would love to help you out with it. Okay, and then this is the lower part of my closet. So what we did, we just added an extra shelf because I have a lot of shoes, so we needed an extra storage for all of my shoes and accessories. So we added this one and to create almost like a shelf level. And up here is where I store all of my bags. These are like my most fancier bags. Over here on this side is where I keep all of my nice fancy heels. These are like my night out heels, things that I don't wear all the time, and I also use them as a display purpose. And in the bottom here I have all of my other shoes, more heels, and in the back that's where I have most of my black boots, things that I wear more occasionally. A great organization tip that I can give you guys is to double layer or double face your shoes, so some at the back and some at the front. Moving on to the other side. This is my partner's side, and this is how I decided to organize his side. Again, my closet is a reach-in closet that we kind of like just made it super open, and that's what I meant by almost making it become this walk-in closet, because the whole room is open. These are his pants, so the way we have it organized is I have all of his pants folded. These are like the most pants that he doesn't wear often. These are things that he reaches for occasionally, and then these are his denims that he wears the most. And then his suit cover or garment cover, whatever you want to call them. So a quick organization system if you're organizing for men: double hang. So I have these big hangers for suits. They're the one with the big padded shoulder. I would never hang something like this with a velvet hanger, just because it's not gonna hold on well. That's how I hang this, and then we double layer the pants inside just to save space, and also easy, and it's very functional for him when he's getting ready. He can just see the top and the bottom together and wear them instead of trying to go through the whole closet looking for the separate pieces. Dress shirts, and it goes into short sleeves, and then we go to thicker pieces, so like sweaters and hoodies, fancier t-shirts that he can wear on night outs or just to dress up. That's pretty much how his closet side is organized. Very easy, very simple. I think men like simplicity. And then these are his shoe side. It's not much, obviously mine is overtaking the entire side, but that's how I organize his shoes. The ones that he doesn't wear the most goes at the bottom. The ones that he reaches for the most are at top. Obviously they are the dresser shoes for work. And then for his accessories, there's multiple ways that you can organize men accessories. I think especially the ties, because they're the easiest thing to just roll over and put inside of a drawer. But if you don't have that system or you don't have an extra drawer, this is what we did. I got this from IKEA, and again I'm gonna link it in the description box, or I can also link a couple that I've found on Amazon. But this is the system that we go for. He has his belts on this side, and then I have all the ties color coordinated, so that way it's super easy for him to see. Now moving on to this side drawer. This is where we store all of our undergarments, as well as all of our pajamas and workout shorts, workout tights, you name it, it's here. But on top of that, that's where we have all of our add-on accessories, such as our fragrances, and then we also have like watches. I love this because I don't have to worry about overtaking space on the closet. So if storage is something that you're running short in, definitely invest in getting a dresser. It's an easy way for you to have all your stuff organized and separated, because it is key to separate all your pieces. My closet is where I keep all of my most worn, and my dresser is where I keep all the things that I don't necessarily need to see all the time, such as my undergarments. So inside of my bookcase slash beauty storage system, if you are interested in seeing my beauty storage system, definitely leave me a comment below. I will do one for you guys. But it's where I keep all of my makeup, my skincare, my hair care, anything you can think of, and as well as this is where I keep all of my accessories such as my jewelries and my sunglasses, because it does protect it from not getting dusty, which is top notch. That's what I want. So inside of this bookcase here, this is where I keep my jewelries. These are all my jewelries, including the ones that I'm wearing right now. You can find any of these trays on Amazon, or you can even find them beauty supply stores. I know they sell them tons of places. So this is kind of how I store them. I love it because I love displaying them and seeing all the pieces that I have. My jewelries are quite edited. I don't keep a lot of jewelries. I only keep the ones that I do wear all the time. Yeah, because you don't need much. Just the things that you gravitate toward the most are all you really need to keep in your closet. I have my shades. These are my sunglasses. These are all my sunglasses. Organization tip I can give you: if you order anything from any brand, definitely keep the box, because you can actually reuse the box as a storage system for your accessories. Alright, this is the end of my closet tour. I hope you guys found some inspirations and ways that you guys will organize your closet. My closet works for me because this is kind of how I want it to be set up. But obviously, if you want your closet to also work for you, because remember, at the end of the day, a closet should be functional and it should work for you and your lifestyle, and not the other way around. If you guys have any questions about your closet, or you want to send me a picture of your closet, definitely feel free to do that on my Instagram at essentialstylingto. And feel free to subscribe to this channel because I want to make more videos for you guys. So comment on the comment box below and let me know what other videos you want to see, or if there's anything in my closet that you want to see in full, in depth. I will definitely film a video on that. But until then, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.